So we are going to try this one more time. We are going to be making day 2, our first project, which is the carrot co-op frame, which is this cutie right here. We are going to make that. I do not have my 4x4 hoop out. I'm just going to use my 5x7. We are going to hoop that with a light mesh cutaway. We're going to iron on using our fusible backing. So yeah, go find your little baggie with your accessories. So this piece, the white piece of fabric, if you get it out, that is the one that we are going to do the fusible iron on. So let's go prep that. Now remember, good hot iron. Hold it on there for a while. Don't be in a rush because we need that glue to heat up. So that way the 2 pieces of fabric can become one. All right, so we have that. We're using our clover, our lava, our shadow, our thyme, and our sun-kissed peach. So there's a few spools there. We're going to be changing our thread on. You have your 3 little pieces for the 3 little carrots. If you are following along in the book, in your instructions, you're going to go to page 7. And you load your design up from your USB stick in your kit to your machine. I'm going to go hoop some stabilizer. I do like her slap bands, they're really nice. Close so you can see. Okay, so you gotta pull up your design. We have our orange in the top, we have a white in the bottom, we have our light mesh cutaway in the hoop, and then we're gonna start stitching. So you're gonna get your honeycomb orange. Now there's something too that you can do is, because you can see where the carrot is gonna be, you can try to line it up to get the pattern. Like when we do this one, I'm gonna try to see if I can't line it up with some of the flower in the carrot. And this one, I'm gonna try to see if I can't keep some of the swirl. And we're just gonna trim the carrot. Don't trim too close to your thread. Just because I don't want you to accidentally snip so close where you cut your thread off. So our next piece of fabric is the pink, and the sun-kissed peach looks really nice with that. So we're just going to switch out our thread. So now we're just going to take it and we're going to cut that little carrot out. It is raw edge applique, so those little carrots are not going to get finished off. They're just going to stay just like that. And again, we're just going to cut that out. That's it. That is all done. Then you're just going to take it, you are going to put it into this cute little frame that came with it, and it just opens up from the back. You just pull those little tabs back. This is not glass, this is just a piece of plastic, and it does have a film attached to it from both ends, so you're going to have to peel a white one off and you're going to have to peel a clear one off. But that's it. Okay, so day 2, project number 1 is finished. This is what you're going to end up with, and this is where we're going to put it into. So all you have to do is just take it out of the hoop, cut it out, and you're good. So now we're going to set up and and we are going to be making a cutie little bunny pillow. So don't go away. Get your kit out. Get your little accessories bag out. Let's go see what page we're going to be on. So join me on page 25 of your instruction booklet, and we are going to be making this little pillow next. You're going to need your embroidery machine and you're going to need your sewing machine. Okay? So see you then.